Morning, good people. How you guys doing? Been a long time. Yeah, I'm not gonna say the same thing. I've been gone a while, but that's okay. Because today I'm actually gonna do a video I've been trying to do for a while. Good friend of mine, known for a few years. His son has been in the cars for a long time. And he's been wanting to do a ride along with me because he loves my car. And I've been postponing because I've been working like crazy. Still a little tired. I got in last night, but got a text message that says little man wants to go for a ride along. He's got a soccer game later and he wants to check the car out. So I'm about to do, but first things first, I need to get baby girl washed up. Let's go ahead and get that done real quick. Now she's been sitting for like a few days, so she's covered in all kinds of leaves, and it's fall right now and the weather's beautiful. It's actually boost weather, to be honest with you. This is a prime time to hit the road and have a good time and open her up a little bit, but I gotta get her washed up. She's not horribly dirty. I got some new wheel cleaner coming from Brake Bomber on TikTok. I heard some good things about it. The wheels are relatively clean. I cleaned the barrels about a month or so ago, but to keep them clean, it's a good idea to just get a decent chemical that's gonna get it done. So I got that coming in, but for today, I'm just gonna get her a decent wash. I'm gonna have to do another video soon with the rear brakes because I still haven't done those yet, so y'all watch out for that. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's get baby girl cleaned up. All right, I'm gonna get it dried up. She's washed off, clean. So I just got a message that my boy, his son's game got pushed to like later. So if you guys noticed, my muffler tips had an issue with that. One of them fell off. Part of the game, they're clip-ons. I've actually taken them off before, but I think one of them might have been loose. So I lost one, took off the other a few weeks ago. And so now what I'm gonna do is, there's actually a muffler shop not too far away. I don't think I'll go back to the one that did my resonator, but there's probably another one. See if I can get them to remove just a small little metal piece on the back of the pipes that allows you to clip on the factory muffler tips. There's like a little metal piece that sticks up. I'm gonna see if I can cut those off because I've actually got tips at home that I'm gonna put on and see if I can put them on today before I head over there later on and say what's up to my man. So I just stopped by the house to grab the muffler tips, which I got them right here. But I wanted to show you guys something real quick that's been bothering me for a while, and I've had the parts for it. I just never put them on, but I'm going to put them on right now. Easy install, so I don't need a whole video for it. But before I go work on the muffler tips at the shop, this right here, check this out. So on a lot of BMWs, especially the F30s, I'm not sure exactly what other models around the same time period of year, but on the door handles, this material right here, it's like a rubberized, feels almost Teflon, but just not as strong. It tends to break down and wear out, and it gets kind of sticky. It's weird. It's like just years of just pulling the door closed. I guess it's kind of fatigued the material, and I don't know if it releases some kind of chemical or something, but anyway, it's just nasty, and you can see just it's starting to crack and tear. So I went online and found like these inserts that go right in. Now some people, what they do is they take this whole thing off and kind of replace the whole thing, but there's really nothing wrong with it. I mean, other than just the wear and tear right here, the entire handle, besides a little scuffed, maybe a little dirty that I can wipe off, that's just things that happen over time. But like, this is in great condition, like really good condition. So got these clips, kind of carbon fiber-esque, obviously not real carbon fiber. I think I got these online. I'll post a link in the bio below. I think maybe 30 bucks, 20 bucks, maybe less than that. I'm not sure. All I know is it's crazy affordable. But I put the passenger one on and it fits perfectly. Like, it clips right into place. It doesn't feel loose, nothing like that. But it fits really well. So I'm gonna put this one on real quick. You just kind of snug it right into place, just like that. Kind of fit finish. It looks good, but I'll do that. But look, it looks OEM, it looks clean. Perfect fit. All right, so problem solved. So let's head out. And there we have it, guys. I kind of like it. Looks good. It's not as beefy, but it still gives it relatively an OEM look. So probably have to work on the cut-off pieces on the inside. Probably black them out or something, but it looks good. All right, let's head on over. Check my homeboy out. Looks like they're gonna meet up a little early to give little man a ride. So let's head on over there. Hey, man.
My name is Patrick.
Patrick. So I heard you like cars, man. Is that right?
Yes.
I think today is your lucky day. This is my BMW 335. And Uncle James has been telling me for a while that you've been wanting to hang out and go for a spin. It's been a long time, huh? Well, you get to do that today. We're gonna have some fun. You ever ridden in one of these before? No? Okay, all right. You both wanna go?
You wanna ride, yes or no? Okay, he said he wants to stay with the Sunday.
You wanna stay? Okay, okay. We're gonna take a ride. Go ahead and hop in. Let me unlock it for you. Grab a seat. Let's get to it. All right.
Yeah, Patrick. Yeah.
All right, you got your belt on.
Yep.
So you know a lot about cars, huh?
Yes.
What do you know about cars, man?
I know that in the future they're already about to start turning electric, so Earth won't go into ocean.
Yeah, because you got global warming and there's a lot going on. And you know a lot. You're right. The cool thing though is for us car guys, right? Because we're car guys, we get to enjoy these cars before everything goes electric.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We get to enjoy it a little bit. So that's what you get to enjoy today. So what's your favorite car?
My favorite car is the Dodge Viper.
Ooh, you like the Viper? Okay. You like the big V10 engine, huh? I like the Vipers too. They're loud, man. They're a lot faster than this car. I'll tell you that much. The older ones, like the one from the 90s, I can hold my own with them. But like the newer ones, those ones are hard. Those ones are hard to beat. But that's a good looking car, man. Have you ever been in one?
No.
No? Who knows, man? I think you'll own one day. You know, you'll have maybe an electric car, and then you'll have your Viper. How about that?
Yeah.
And I'll be an old man by then. So maybe you could take me for a spin like I'm taking you today, right? Heck yeah. What other cars you like?
The other cars that I like is technically the Honda CRX due to its weight.
Ooh, CRX. Man, you what you know about the CRX?
It's one of the less weight cars.
Yeah, you're right. It is. It's a very lightweight car, very small car. There's a lot of I've seen a lot of Honda CRXs before that guys put like bigger engines in them and more powerful turbo engines and make even more power than this car. And you'll find a CRX that can race a Lamborghini and beat it. All right, you ready?
Yes.
It's a little sample. You ever driven in a BMW before?
A BMW?
Yeah.
With my mom.
With your mom? Does she have one?
She sold it to her brother.
Okay. Do you remember what it was? Was it a...
I forgot the name.
That's all right. That was a nice car, though. BMWs they're pretty nice cars. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, one day when you get older, maybe you'll have one. They're pretty cool. I love this car. It's been a good car to me so far. I've done some cool things. I've done all kinds of modifications to it. All right, let's get to the highway. Second gear action here. All right, here we go. Ready? How was that? That was awesome. He gave thumbs up. I think we're certified. We're approved, y'all. He loves it. We'll get a couple more in. Let's see. go. How was that? Yeah? So do you know anything about this car? No? What would you like to know?
I'd like to know the horsepower.
The horsepower?
Yeah.
So the horsepower originally, this car came with 306 horsepower. And I did some modifications, so I tuned the computer and I changed some parts, the intercooler and the intake, and I lowered the car so it's on coilovers. You know what coilovers are?
No.
So you know what the suspension is?
Yeah.
Alright, so I basically changed that. And it lowered the car, made it handle better. And I changed the spark plugs. And so now I've never had the car tested for power. So to tell you what the exact number is, I don't know. But from the other people all over the world who have done all of the things that I've done to my car, and they went and tested it, my engine should be making somewhere around like 420 horsepower. So a little over 400 horse, something like that. Which is good. It's fun. It's a good amount of power. What else would you like to know?
I'd like to know, when did you got this car?
Oh, it's a good question. I bought this car 3 years ago. A lot of fun. Who knows, maybe when you get older, if I still have this car, I'll let you drive it. I don't know, electric cars will be a lot faster by then.
Yeah.
Like a lot faster. In fact, most of the electric cars that are out now, maybe not most of them, but a good amount of them are faster than this, believe it or not. Another pull here for you, man. So your favorite car is the Dodge Viper, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that car. I've driven an older one, first generation, but I've never driven a newer one. What car, besides the Dodge Viper, what car would you really like to be in?
I would say somewhere to the Viper or BMW.
Okay. So you'd like to be in another BMW, maybe? Yeah. Shoot, me too. There's a couple BMWs I want to be in. I'll rent one for the day, and then I'll come find you and we'll go for a spin. We'll do that. We gotta get Uncle James something fast. He wants something fast too.
He said he wants the Nissan GTR.
He wants a GTR? That's a fast car. You ever heard of a car company called McLaren?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a UK sport supercar.
This is you are absolutely, man, you are smart, dude. You're absolutely correct. It is a British company, UK company.
And their first automotive car is technically my favorite McLaren is the F30.
See, that's my favorite car. Hey man, you see, y'all see that? You see that? McLaren F1 LM. Now, what do you know about that car? Do you know a lot of?
The V12 is from BMW.
That is exactly correct, my man. You're absolutely correct. That's right. It is. It is 630 horse, 0 to 60 in like 3.4 seconds.
And it's been the fastest car
For a while.
Yeah.
I will say that car, what that car was able to do, many cars weren't able to do it even 20 years afterwards. And McLaren F1 LM that's my personal favorite car. In terms of all performance cars, that's my dream car. Yeah, that 6-liter V12. Did you know that the engine bay? Yeah, it's so where the engine sits back behind us, it's wrapped in gold. It's to help to dissipate heat. It's a really cool car. I love that car, man. That is my favorite car. You ever been to where they race cars on a track?
I have not.
All right, man. I'm taking down ideas, man. We might have to go one day. And a good friend of ours, his name is Nick. Your dad knows Nick too. And we used to go to the track back in the day. I'm glad you got to ride with me today, man. Did you like it?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Good. Get a quick launch in, shall we? Ooh, speaking of cars, look at that. There's a purple Lamborghini right here. Performante. Yep. Beautiful car. Nice, right? You want to rev it up? Go ahead, rev it up, man. Give it some. was that? You like that? So how was it, man? Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yeah? What'd you like about it?
I like the turbo sound.
You like the turbo sound? Yeah. You want to take a look at the engine? Let's take a look. All right. There she is, man. She's a little hot because we've been driving her. All these leaves. I should have cleaned out these leaves, man. So you know anything about this engine? Close. Very close. So it's not a V6. It is a 6-cylinder, so it's got 6 cylinders in it. But it doesn't have the V where it's like this, right? Like a V6. It's called an inline 6. So all 6 cylinders are in line with each other, right? It's a line, right? So my turbo sits down there. And the sound that you heard, there is a blow-off valve or a diverter valve that sits on the turbo, but the sound that you heard was coming from the intake. So that's what you heard, right? So all that air comes right back into the intake and you hear that sound. That's the engine. So you caught it at a good time, man. I thank you for coming out, man. We have fun, right? We'll definitely look to doing it again. Look at that, Alfa Romeo right there. That's a cool car. That car is pretty fast too. So what was your name again, dude? Tell the world.
Patrick.
So nice to meet you, Patrick. Thank you for coming out today, man. We definitely got to do it again. Who knows, maybe when I get an M3, something even faster, we'll hang out a little bit, right? All right, y'all. That's it. I got the ride along done today with my man Patrick. We hung out. We did a thing. He enjoyed it. Look at another one right there, just like mine. Another 3 Series went by. Thank you guys for chiming in. We got the muffler tips done today. We got the handles done. And we got the ride along done. My first official ride along that I got to record with my new little man Patrick here, man. So we had a good time. As always, thank you guys for chiming in. Subscribe, like, hit the notification icon. Let me know what you think in the comments. Any suggestions, as always. I'm gonna try to bring more content to you guys, but I'm busy. Plus I got peoples I'm hanging out with now. So I'll check y'all again soon. Peace.
Peace.